What's up, guys? We back with another one. Today we got an extended cab cat eyes, local here from Albuquerque. They be getting a well-done Impala sunroof. Yeah, it's an Impala sunroof. We're only going with one sunroof, so he is going to get the shade, the sunshade. Usually I have to remove those when I install those on single cabs. This is an extended cab. We leave the sunshade, so you know how the sunshade function. Check out the truck. Extended cab cat eyes. We're going to go ahead and start the usual. Start ripping out the whole headliner. And then originally he wanted to go with black suede, but now he just wants to go with the regular tan fabric. So that's cool. We can do that. We'll start by removing everything on top. We'll get our measurements up on top, get our center line, get all that, and then we'll start cutting. Okay, guys, we got the headliner out. We ripped out the original fabric from the truck. We got the bracket in. And we got the layer of bodywork on top. It's very light bodywork because everything is less than, anything is less than, it's about a quarter of an eighth. It's about an eighth within a quarter a filler. But once I put the fiberglass cloth on top, it kind of fills it in, so it's pretty much flush with the roof. All right, guys, bodywork. Can get the bodywork done. I'll install the sunroof, and then I can start installing my 4 drain hoses, power it up, and then start on the headliner, cutting it out, and we should be good. Here's the sunroof. Headliner is installed. We do have the glass out of it because we do have the shade for it, the hardcover shade. We are gonna match it with this fabric, install it brand new. Here is the fabric. Here is the hardcover shade. Like I said, we only did one sunroof on this, so we were able to leave the hardcover shade on. Here we're peeling off the old fabric. We're gonna wrap it with some new one. I'm gonna glue it down, and then we'll install it and get a last look at what it looks like. All right, guys, there she is, all done. Headliner